Can't one. Oh.
Can't. They say them are like wicked, see,
yeah, man. Action for action.
Nice, double. Take them up in that boat.
Take them off here.
Yeah, man. They might do a super excellent job, people. See, man. See them, man. Nice, you know. Man, people, hook up again, you know. Feel like I wanna do more. Man, strong, you know. It's a strong piece. Like I'm not giving a fight. If I want of them, really strong. Sorry. Come on, water. This one of them. See my peeps. Yeah, man, guys, hook up again. But this feel like I'm more than one this time, you know.
Beam turn drop.
Hook up again.
Yeah, man. Take them and go see them. People in a eager to see them.
Right now, I'm more eager than them. Yeah, man, see, man.
Find him? I can't one. Oh.
Can't. They say them are like wicked, see,
yeah, man. Action for action.
Action, man. A straight action. Man, peeps. More goggle like that, man. Right now, we now waste no time. A straight up.
Yeah, man. See that?
See it, huh?
Yeah, man.
Nice, big and fat. Yeah, man. You say you have one. You say you have one?
More than one.
More than one?
Sure.
They load right out.
Can't do my deal with Roger.
Man, I want of them, man.
One?
Man, I want of them, people. See, man. Strong.
Well,
man.
I'm going to say I struggle.
Yeah, man, I'll be helping. Sinker line tall.
And it's so lie down, you know?
So lie down?
Get on your tail and on it.
Yeah, man, Daniel, you say you have some again? Yeah, man, take them up. See a three of them?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, man, guys, a three of them.
Ever come to help him?
Yeah, man, help him out. Three nice one, guys.
Yeah, man.
Nice. Yeah, man.
Beautiful.
Big.
Daniel come to the rescue.
Yeah, man, I am seeing every night. A good one, we never feel like. Nice catch, man. So just stay tuned, guys. Yeah, man, peace. After about 3 hours, we finally start get bite again. Yeah, man, see it.
Yeah, man, double
peeps.
pan them. Yes,
Yeah,
man.
Double, man.
No
Nice.
joke.
Yeah, man, that's it, man. So just remember now, guys, like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, man, that is it. Yeah, man, peeps. Hook up again. Yeah, man, see, man. Nice one. Yeah, man, nice, man. One coca-cola basket, you know. Yeah, man, guys. Hook up again. Yeah, man. I don't know night fishing, dog life fishing. Yeah, man, outside, man. I now buy it so hot, you know, guys, but I buy 1 and 2, and we are going to work with it. Like 2 more swing on, 2 will get heavy.
There's some more upon him?
Yeah, man, 1 more swing on, see that? Yeah, man, 2 lovely ones. So just stay tuned and watch what I'm going. Remember, you know, guys, to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, man, outside. Yeah, man, I say, boss, finally hook up after a couple hours.
Boy, I don't know what's going on, you know, but
tough. See where you are.
they're not eat from it.
Double.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, double trouble, you know,
Double trouble. So we're going out there already.
What? Bucket full.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man, guys. That is it, man. You out here go and do it, you know?
Yeah,
Man, so I just stay tuned, big up on yourself. You don't know. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Man, that is it. Yeah, man, guys. Daniel just come up, you know. Yeah, man, with 2 of them, 2 lovely ones.
Yeah.
Man,
Yeah, man, we are finding one still.
Man, peeps.
But they're not fully active.
Man, 1, 2, 2. Make go now next look in a bucket. So I'll go on there. Man, 1, 2, 2, you know. And just stay tuned and go and watch how I go on. Take him up. Say 2 of them,
Yeah, man,
double.
Double pan them as usual, you know.
And a double you deal with.
I itch. I don't give me line and go back. I don't bite hard from foot in.
Yeah, man, them a play around, so we have to make them bite.
Yo!
Come on, peeps, so stay tuned. Get a double hook up a while ago. I live, you take up a while ago. And you say you have? Man, We see what I go on. Yeah, man, a lovely one.
Say nice.
Man, it's a lovely one, man.
Daniel do a good job.
But do an excellent job, because I know I don't catch one.
So you do a see.
Like a river water, me in a fish. I think I see people.
Me just come out there for water.
I have to come out there. Man, peeps, so that will go on. Man, don't stay tuned. So if you man not up over one part, they want help?
You know, bad.
Oh, you know bad.
Turn off the light.
Alright. Yeah, man, he's saying hook up again, peeps. Yeah, man, I see rather bend. The next rod hook up to here. Yeah, man, the next rod hook up to peeps.
Right now, the next rod fly.
Yeah, man, take up that one and take up the next one. See it, yeah? Yeah, man. Well, go on.
Take off them. I took.
Hold on. Yeah, man. Put on a little jog for them.
Easy. I just say sound more. That's what I'm doing.
Sound sweet. Yeah, man, peeps. It look like they're finally ready for win now. Yeah, man, the rod tip a bend over one place.
Yeah, man, I don't mind. You know, long one fish we broke the rod. But I appreciate that.
You see that tonight?
No, what's it?
Right. Yeah, man, take him up. Boy, look like he lost. He can't reach.
Them, man, they're 385 feet. See that? Easy.
Yeah, man, too deep in there. Then. All in scale them come off of him. Look good. It's a big one, you know.
Drop off, you know?
Yeah, man. The right place in drop, man. Yeah, man. So, hook up. Yeah, man. Double hook up over there so I get in a piece. A triple hook up. Take up Daniel. See, Daniel have one I say in a piece. Yeah, man. Daniel have a lovely one. Yeah, man. He come on fast, man. Just send him down back. Want help over here.
Yeah, man. Come down here. Come. Take that right down.
Yeah, man. Them are licking our peeps. Finally, they're ready for it.
Hold that right there. Go on, take it. Take up that one.
Yeah, man. It's a good look.
No, hold that one. Give me that one. That one now. Take up the long one.
So them are like wicked over there.
Yeah.
Rather bending up peeps. Look here.
Yeah, man.
A two fish left on it.
Yeah, man. Double.
Double, man.
Get little more there now. Get little more there now.
Have more there now.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, it's a good look.
Right now, come and fish the pan Daniel. Right around the same time. Look so down.
Yeah, man, it's a good look, man. Bring them up.
Come.
Up.
Come.
In the boat. Yeah, man, it look like we're not up on one another. Alright. Yeah,
No, you know bad, you know.
Triple hook up.
You know bad.
Yeah, man, just pick them off. It's a triple, guys. Yeah, man, triple. Man, it's a good look.
Yeah, man, I just feel like whether or not up that way.
Yeah, man.
As a matter of give me when.
Yeah, not with pulling.
No.
Straight cut off. I bet them go over there, you know.
No, man.
Come on, people. Three of them there on that one. The next line still down there. Yeah, man. Twist him around, see him where. You have to help him, people. You can't manage. You have to help him. It's a good look.
Pull off, man.
Goggle dip on line.
Yeah, man. Goggle they are clad with smoke.
Yeah, man.
Hold that one down here. Hold that, you know.
Like, I want more on over there, man. Man, peeps are that are going, so they might get them off the line because they're not up. Two line them, then cross. Yeah, man, so I'm pull them
and
off.
this are right now, upon it now.
Right now.
Yeah,
Yeah, man, that is it, peeps. So hook up again.
Take him.
Yeah, man, bring him in. You say one of them come off.
Yeah, man. Oh, you
I
say
say
them
go,
back
man.
same time. Don't bother back.
Straight overboard, they might go back. But now we waste no time. Man, you say hook up again.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, bring them up, let us see what go on. What? Double? You know, waste no time.
Please, my boss. Me not waste some time, you know.
No time. Yeah, man. Me
Double
have,
pan them.
at the talk right now, me have for me at same speed, so me not waste no time in it. Right now, my line a float. Like I hear with the peeps.
Help him out.
Yeah, man, peeps. Hook up again. Man, after a long while, I finally hook up again. Man, I feel like about 2 days.
What them? The feet, huh?
I want it really strong, super strong.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, so. Come up.
I feed them with the right food, man.
Yes, man. I'll gravy the body.
Yeah, man,
Let's get that piece. Double. Nice, double. Nice. Man, so I'll just go and stay tuned.
Daniel have one.
Yeah, man, Daniel, hook up again.
Daniel have one wicked over here.
Yeah, man. 3 of them, man. 3 of them. Take them up in our boat.
Take them off here.
Yeah, man. He might do a super excellent job, people. See, man. See them, man. Nice, you know. Man, people. See them, man. Them Goggle eyes.
Solar, you know.
Yeah, man.
Solar.
Nice. At least then we see if I come up. Yeah, man. Nice. Yeah, man, people. So we outside, man. I go and go some night fishing, you know. Yeah, man. It's a good thing so far. Can't complain. See my bucket here? Yeah, man. We are going good. Super good.
Can't complain.
Can't complain.
I forgive thanks.
Every time.
Yes.
Give a super thanks.
That me know.
Yes,
that then
man,
if
say
you
it
are
good.
super thanks.
Yes, man. See my peeps, he jump off a Daniel line and swim. Yeah, man, I say you go still.
So you go, man.
Duel, you hook up, you know. Yeah, man, peeps, I hook up again, you know. Yeah, man, I hook up again, man. Yeah, then just start buying peeps. Come up with the people and see. See, man. Nice one.
Yeah, man, I may have right now to watch them.
Yeah, man.
Watch
Yeah,
them.
man, double.
Double pan them.
Double.
Double. Yeah, man. Double same time.
Wicked.
Yeah,
Same,
man,
same
wicked,
time.
man.
One on, one off. One on, one off.
That's
You want to hear
it,
them
man.
style there? Yeah, man.
That was excellent job.
Yes, man.
Yeah, peeps.
Oh, dog, that's true.
Man.
True.
Again, peeps. One this time, you know.
One single one. Dopey.
Fat. Yeah, man. See,
Much in where?
oh, yeah, about 3 pounds.
Me not believe it.
Well, guys, told that one I feel the pump rod. Yeah, man. I
Make us
three
see,
up
no?
the pan and I feel like a 6.
Piece of hat, so?
Yeah.
Guys, do not tell if you
Yeah. Sure.
3.
If I never tree, I swim off my boat. See that?
I'm never see a swim yet, you know.
Yeah, man. Sure.
Alright, guys. See what them are going with.
Yes, man. I'm the first trip for the night. Daniel, make we see what I go on. You see one of them?
One come make you send it down same time.
Yeah, man. Not, still better now. See, 2 look up the same time over there.
Man, see,
Yeah, man.
Send you
Watch
over
you guys.
Yeah, man. Right away.
The little wiggy hook up same time. Yeah, man. We don't waste no time. Yeah, man. A straight hook up.
Yeah, man. I'm a come.
Have to come.
I want to, man.
I never do. Man, people, the light here we are using up to float them up. Yeah, man, the light there. Yeah, man, so I float them.
And we use something named Sadiki.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I catch the goggle like them very quick.
Yeah, man, we are showing you guys how we call it Sadi.
Yeah, man. Come on.
They say they're deep.
Yeah, man, they're deep. See there? You see the Sadiq here, look on the
Yeah,
color.
man.
You see one here, that one here. Yeah, man.
That is it.
Take them up. Your prediction right, man. Oh, God. 1 worm, never 2.
One.
Take them in, take them in, take them in, take them in.
Look like a one, you know.
A one?
This style.
Oh, you know one so bad.
Behave himself.
Alright, guys, that I want single. That one name single. Comment and say single. Popper. Come to Popper.
Yeah, man, you have to come in that boat, man. I know you feel.
How so far did it?
It's in the deep, a double. Yeah, man, look like it's a double peeps. Yeah, man, it's a double, man.
Double.
Yeah, man, nice.
Don't care for
Nice
that.
double.
Yeah, man, double band. Guys, you just go and watch our one. That one named Straight Action. Just comment and say Straight Action.
Yes, man.
Uncle Remat them. Finally, all one.
Yeah, man.
I'm here the boss, if you know. Yeah, man. Yes, feel like a one? Strong. Guys, look in a bucket already. That's how we find already in a bucket.
Kick up.
Yeah, man. So, you have him? A one. Maybe one tear off. Yeah, man. Guys, you see that? One gags. Never two. Yeah, man.
And them boys see a competition, you know, so.
Then say a competition, why go pull them teeth?
I show them what time it is.
Yeah, man, I broke them out. From my line?
Yeah, man, I told him not
So
up.
two away. Mine then near.
So I told him to catch him. Yeah, man, just flip
Mine
over.
right there, so.
Yeah, man. See your peeps.
One down, look what I want.
Once get to it. Knot up. Guys, then get a knot up line, so I have to go pull you out. Yeah, man, that's how they're fishing are going up, peeps. Man, more while I get knot up, you know. Lanja.
Longer.
Yeah, man, Daniel saying hook up in the peeps. Yeah, man, you have a nice one. Yeah, man. A nice one, man. Yeah, man, so a nice one. Yeah. Man, we are going to see now bucket there.
Yeah, man, that bucket nice one.
Man, that bucket are going good.
It's quite a few already.
Yeah,
I have to
man.
give thanks. I never had a bite so good, but happy.
Yeah, man, they pick up, man. I have to give us super thanks.
Super thanks.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Hook up again.
Yeah, man.
That one the super big, man.
You might weigh about pound now.
Yeah, man, I want the fat with you.
Just
Yeah,
kidding,
man.
guys.
You are going the peeps. Igloo. About igloo, the bucket looking good. Yeah, man, it's halfway from full, you know?
The rice little.
Yeah, man.
One more goggle, eh?
You can look at.
How what that?
On
Look
this.
how man catch pan Sadiki.
It's can't real. You know what that? Chiny man.
Chiny man.
Sadiki flavor.
Chiny man pan Sadiki. And some people call him Kanga Tony.
Ah, it's true, man. Yeah, man, people,
Voila.
so. Yeah, man, people, so. This is the final catch I got glide them, you know?
Night
Yeah,
fishing.
man, see them here? Yeah, man, deer light right here.
Show
now.
them out, then show how go.
From there.
No.
Yeah, man.
Length, width.
It's an excellent catch, man.
Guys, see there? Early in the morning. So you know what we are going to do? We are going to see if we catch some toadfish now. So now stay tuned for the action there. Yeah, man. And take our next glimpse. Oh, God.